What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best LED headlights. LEDs are also more energy efficient than traditional halogen bulbs, which means they can help to reduce your car's overall fuel consumption. There are a lot of products available to choose to LED headlights, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best LED headlights product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DanForce Headlamp. Introducing the DanForce USB rechargeable LED headlamp. This headlamp is perfect for any tactical use, with its high 1080 lumens and 4 light modes: high, low, medium, and strobe. The red light headlamp and adjustable 90-degree head flashlight make it perfect for campers who need to change focus lights quickly and easily. The zoomable focus provides maximum precision for work, making this headlamp an essential piece of gear for any outdoor enthusiast. This headlamp is designed for maximum comfort and temperature control, thanks to the sweat-resistant headband. Its adjustable sizing makes it a custom-made headlight for your head. Plus, the airtight rubber sealing protects the LED from all work and weather conditions, from extreme heat to bone-chilling cold. Don't miss a step with this reliable and durable headlamp. DanForce Headlamp is a high-quality LED headlamp. IPX45 water, dust and damage resistance. Bright headlamp, high 1080 lumens, produces 4 light modes: high, low. Number 2. Exito LED Headlight Bulbs. Looking for a headlight bulb that will give you better visibility and beam design? Look no further than the Exito H4 9000 thirds LED bulb. With a 6000 lumen output, these bulbs are 300% brighter than halogen headlights. They also have a non-polarity design which makes them super easy to install. Simply plug and play. Whether you're looking for a replacement bulb or an upgrade, the Exito H4 9000 thirds LED bulb is the perfect choice. Looking for a powerful and durable LED headlight? Look no further than xenon white LED lights. Made of aluminum alloy shell and using IP65 waterproof technology, these headlights are built to last. Plus, the built-in fan ensures optimal performance by cooling down the heat efficiently. With a service life of more than 30,000 hours, you can be confident that xenon white LED lights will keep you well lit on the road. And since they produce no radio interference, they're compatible with 99% of vehicle systems. So make your upgrade today and see the difference xenon white LED lights can make. Number 3. Sealite H11 LED Bulb. Looking for an upgrade to your old dim halogen headlight bulbs? Look no further than our best LED headlight bulbs. With a 90-degree base design that is the same as halogen bulbs, they fit perfectly into your housing and factory sockets, even in tight spaces. Plus, the super focus beam pattern provides wider and farther lighting range, so you can say goodbye to those dark nights on the road. Made from durable aluminum, these bulbs are sure to last. So make the switch today and see the difference. The best LED headlight bulb on the market, our very own 12,000 rip powerful turbofan, provides up to 60% better cooling compared to those without fans. This means that your light will be much brighter and will last longer too. Just like drying hair with a hairdryer, which is more efficient than to dry it naturally, using a LED headlight bulb is also much more efficient. And the R2 H11 bulb features superior CSP LED chips, producing 20,000 LM light output per set. So you can be sure that you're getting the brightest light possible. Number 4. Exito 9012HI R2 LED Headlight. Looking for a high-quality CAN bus-ready LED bulb kit? Look no further than our conversion bulb kit. These bulbs are DC12V, 24V, 40W and 8000 LM per bulb, making them super focused and stable. They're also 500% brighter than stock 9012 bulbs, so you'll never have to worry about being left in the dark again. Plus, they're compatible with 9012 and HI-R2 sockets, making installation a breeze. And with their ultra-thin copper board and 360 degrees illumination, you'll be able to see wider and farther than ever before. Looking for a hassle-free way to upgrade your car's lighting system? Check out our CAN bus-ready conversion bulb kit. Our innovative design makes these 9012 LED bulbs compatible with most vehicle systems, so you won't have to worry about errors or radio interference. Plus, the built-in IC and temperature control ensures that the lamps are always working at their best. And for extreme sensitive vehicles, additional decoders may be required. But no matter what, you can rest assured that our bulbs will provide superior lighting performance. So don't wait any longer, order your conversion bulb kit today. Number 5. Laxmis H11 H8 H9 LED Bulbs. Looking for a safe and reliable replacement for your halogen headlights? Look no further than the Laxmis H16 LED bulbs. These bulbs provide a super focus beam pattern for optimal light shape, ensuring clear visibility on the road. They also have a cutoff point to avoid blinding or glaring oncoming traffic. Plus, with a 5-minute easy installation, you'll be up and running in no time. Introducing the Laxmis LED bulb, the perfect upgrade for your car's lighting system. With a powerful cooling fan and aviation aluminum body design, this bulb is built to last. It's also IP67 waterproof, meaning it can withstand any weather conditions. Plus, it's compatible with 99% of vehicles on the road. And with its 65% energy-saving design, you'll save money and time by not having to replace your bulbs as often. Get the Laxmis LED bulb today and see the difference. H11 LED bulbs are equipped with upgraded high luminous efficacy CSP chips. This H9 LED bulbs combo provides up to 500% brighter than halogen. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.